Gentlemen, today we're going to show you how to text a girl you like and how to make her enjoy talking to you in the process. I'll be repeating this quite a bit throughout the video, but the most important thing to remember when texting a girl is that it should be fun. You grab your phone when you're bored, right? You scroll through memes, you watch entertaining YouTube videos like this one, and every now and then, you might even play a quick mobile game. Well, girls pick up their phones when they're bored too. So when your crush has her phone in her hand because she's talking to you, you'd better know what to say to keep the conversation enjoyable. Luckily, you're watching this video, and I'm going to teach you exactly that. So, let's get started. Here are 7 tips you can use to get a girl to like talking to you over text, all with just a few taps of your thumbs. 7. Why so serious? Do you know how I got these scars? One of our animators drew them on me. They also gave me this spooky face paint. Pretty cool, huh? Well, I'm going to keep wearing it while I ask you one very important question. Why so serious? Texting a girl you like is a great way to get to know her, but that doesn't mean it needs to become some formal presentation where you list all of your best qualities. Just like in the real world, you need to add a little playful flirting while you're texting her. So instead of giving her a completely ordinary answer about what you do for a living, make something up. But more importantly, make it funny. And don't forget to tease her a little if she makes a silly typo. And if she says something that gives you an opening for a joke, take advantage of that opportunity and crack a clever one. A good sense of humor can make conversations much more enjoyable and can help people feel comfortable around each other. So if you want to make a girl enjoy talking to you, you don't have to be serious every second. Instead, let your personality show through your humor and playful conversation. Sure, getting to know a potential girlfriend can feel like serious business, but seriously, don't be so serious about it. 6. Hold that thought. If you're anything like I used to be, you probably don't talk to very many girls. I mean, let's face it, if you already knew exactly how to make a girl like you probably wouldn't need to watch these videos. So since the girls you talk to may be few and far between, it's completely natural to get excited when you finally start texting someone you're interested in. But that's exactly where you need to be careful. A conversation, whether it happens in the real world or over text, should be an equal back and forth exchange. Have you ever had a real-world conversation with someone where every time you tried to say something, he or she talked over you and didn't give you a chance to speak? It's annoying and uncomfortable, isn't it? And you probably made a mental note to avoid having another conversation with that person, didn't you? Well, the same basic thing can happen over text, especially when you send too many messages in a very short amount of time. A girl doesn't want to pick up her phone to answer you and suddenly discovers several more messages waiting for her before she can even finish writing her response. Rapid-fire texts can quickly become overwhelming and may make her want to step away from the conversation altogether. So, even though the temptation to send another couple of messages can be incredibly strong, especially if she suddenly stops replying, hold that thought and give her some time to respond. You see, plenty of girls have talked to guys who text too much. And guess what? They usually don't want to keep having those conversations. So try to keep the exchange balanced, around 1-to-1 or occasionally 2-to-1, so you don't get on her nerves and become just some guy she talked to for a little while. She'll be much more comfortable talking to you if she knows that when she puts her phone down for a few minutes, she won't come back to an entire novel waiting for her. 5. Take a guess. There are plenty of ways to begin a conversation with a beautiful girl, but one of the easiest ways is with a game of 20 questions. 20 questions is a pretty common game, but you don't have to ask exactly 20 of them. So when you ask her, do you want to play 20 questions? She'll understand that you're about to start asking each other questions, and that's where the fun begins. Here's how to make it more interesting. Start the game normally, but after both of you have answered a few questions, change things up and offer her a new way to play. Instead of answering questions about yourself, try answering questions about each other. For example, say something like, "What's my favorite place in the world?" And then let her imagination take over. It's a simple and ridiculous little change that can turn an ordinary getting to know you conversation into something hilarious and unpredictable. And that's the point. Keeping your texts interesting will keep her interested. And the longer she stays interested, the more time you have to show her just how awesome you are. If you're not sure which questions to start with, find some inspiration in our video, The Best Questions to Ask a Girl You Like. Getting the idea of how to text a girl and make her enjoy talking to you yet? Well, don't go anywhere. But feel free to pause the video here if you need to run to the pantry for a quick snack, because we still have 4 more helpful tips on how to text her that can make the early stage of your potential relationship much more interesting and fun. And like I keep saying, fun is what texting is all about. So let's have some, shall we? Here's hash 4. 4. Learn English. English is a needlessly complicated language where grammar rules only make sense occasionally, and the letter E can have several different pronunciations for reasons nobody really cares to understand. Well, as much as you may have disliked school growing up, if you don't have, at minimum, a basic understanding of grammar and spelling, you're going to have a difficult time making a good impression over text. Fellas, you have to learn how to spell properly and construct a grammatically correct sentence. Sure, some girls won't care if you accidentally use the wrong form of there, or there in a text, but if the girl you're talking to does care, she may have trouble looking past your choice to ignore the language you use every single day. A girl may want a guy who's educated, and if he can't even take the time to learn basic middle school grammar and spelling, she may not want to invest her time in the conversation. So if you struggle with spelling and grammar, don't worry. There are countless free online resources like khanacademy.org that can help you review the rules of the English language. You've just got to put in the work to become better. 3. Always start strong, hey. It's a perfectly fine way to say hello to someone, but it's not necessarily how you should text a girl you like, especially if you want her to enjoy talking to you. I'll say it again. Texting should be fun, and a boring first message isn't very fun. Now is it? So when you begin a text conversation with the girl you like, start off strong and open with something unique and original. Your favorite joke, a story about something crazy that happened to you today, a fun fact about capuchin monkeys, a compliment about the outfit you saw her wearing at school. Just start with something that will make her think, this guy is different. Something that will make her want to respond to your first text. Boredom is a powerful force in anyone's life, and a fun first text can make her face light up at the possibility of having someone interesting to talk to. 2. Hop on the escalator. If you really want to know how to make a girl like you over text, you'll need to learn how to naturally move the conversation forward. In most text conversations, whether it's the first time you're texting or you've been talking for a while now, the goal shouldn't be to keep repeating the same basic small talk forever. You want the conversation to progress naturally. Girls want you to show confidence and personality instead of allowing every conversation to become the same predictable exchange. So no matter how long you've been chatting, days, weeks, or months, pay attention to the meaning behind her messages and look for a good moment to make the conversation more personal or ask her out. Asking a girl out over text isn't complicated. You just have to tell her that you'd like to spend some time together and then give her a few days to choose from for your meetup. Of course, you'll only want to do this if the conversation has been going well and she seems comfortable talking with you. Moving things forward takes a bit more confidence and good judgment. But that's why we told you to play 20 questions and mix things up a bit. It's the perfect opportunity to throw her a curveball and ask something more personal, playful, or unexpected. All it takes is one interesting question to completely change the direction of the conversation. So be confident. Pay attention to the signals she's giving you, and move things forward when it feels natural. She may wonder what took you so long. Know when to end it. Everything eventually comes to an end, including this video. And our last trick on how to text a girl to get her to like you is all about knowing when the conversation is over. If a girl is a respectful person, she'll let you know when she has to go and can't keep texting. But sometimes she gets distracted or suddenly can't get to her phone for a while. And that's okay too. If that happens, remember what we said before, and avoid writing her a novel entitled, Why I Think You're a B.I. Bad Word. So, if her texts start getting shorter, or she doesn't seem as engaged as she was at the beginning of the conversation, take the hint and find a way to end things on a strong note. Tell her you've got to go wrestle a bear and ask her to check in on you later to make sure you're still alive. Just make it fun and give her a reason to come back for more. And before I forget, while we're talking about ending a text conversation with a girl you like, try to avoid going on texting sprees that last longer than a couple of hours and end them sooner when it makes sense. Sure, she may enjoy texting you, but multiple hours of back and forth messaging every day can drain some of the excitement out of getting to know someone. And a girl will probably like talking to you more when she's looking forward to your next conversation, not when she's looking forward to escaping from one that has gone on for too long. Those are the 7 ways to text a girl you like that can help her enjoy talking to you. Why not check out some of our other videos while you're here?